This is the FIFINE K688 mic. It costs under 60 quid or 90 bucks, and after using it for the last few weeks, have been wondering, how is this mic so cheap? I'm Harrison, this is the TechVuze channel. Thank you FIFINE for sending this microphone over, but this video is not sponsored and all thoughts are my own. Let's go! So what do you actually get in the box? You've got the mic itself with a shock mount, a boom arm stand, a foam windscreen, a USB-C to USB-C cable with a USB-A adapter, and a user manual. It took me minutes to unbox and set up the microphone, didn't even need to check the instructions to put it together, tighten the joints and clamp it to my desk. This is a dynamic microphone, which basically means it's much better at rejecting background noise than a condenser mic. That makes it ideal if you're filming at a desk like this, working from home, or doing video calls. You can use this mic via USB-C for an easy plug and play setup. I've actually plugged this microphone directly into the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera that is filming this right now. Without any setup, just plug and play. Or you can run it via XLR into a proper audio interface if you buy the XLR cable to go with it. Around the back, you've got a USB-C port, an XLR connection, a headphone jack for live monitoring, and gain controls for both the mic and your headphones. It's worth pointing out that these controls and the mute button only work when you connect via USB-C because they need power. If you plug in both the USB and the XLR at the same time, it will prioritize the XLR. In terms of build quality, this does not feel like a budget mic at all. It's metal with a bit of weight to it, and everything that moves feels solid and smooth. No creaks or anything, nothing feels cheap. The shock mount with the rubber suspension actually looks really good. And honestly, if I saw this on a big time podcast set, I would not assume it's a sub £70 microphone. The foam windscreen is on the thinner side compared to those big fuzzy podcast ones, but it's decent quality, and if you want, you can replace it with the enhanced wind protection foam windscreen, which is thicker if that's what you want. Alright, let's talk sound. This is what I sound like sitting down at my desk using the FIFINE K688, a few inches away, which is exactly where I understand the mic wants you to be. This is me a bit further back, and off to the side, and off to this side now, right round here, higher up, all the way up here, and really close now. Do a bit of beatboxing. Okay, I'll stop. My DJI lapel mic always sounds fine, and using my DJI lapel mic sounds something like this. So that's what it sounds like. But the big issue I've always had with it is that if I'm slightly too close or a bit too far away, it can sound pretty bad. And it takes ages for me to set it up, clipping it onto my shirt, positioning it correctly, messing around with the settings every single time for a non-muffled sound. It's just always a big faff, which I never look forward to when recording. And now I can just sit down, plug it in, and know that the sound is going to be recorded just fine. Judge it for yourself, but for my use, the audio quality here is excellent. The controls are easy and simple to understand. You've got mic volume and headphone volume on the back, which I do wish were on the side. FIFINE have actually done that on some of their newer models, and I absolutely love the touch-sensitive mute button, which I'm going to click right now. You can hear me again. The LED turns green when live and red when muted, which is perfect for work calls and filming, and it's one of the features that make this microphone feel a lot more premium than the price tag suggests. Having a light that's constantly on to show it's connected is a really small thing, but genuinely useful. It comes with a long USB-C cable with a Velcro cable tidy. I usually connect the USB-C straight into my monitor's built-in dock, which makes it switch seamlessly between my MacBook, which I use for editing, and my Windows work device, which I use for conference calls, and even on my phone or iPad. Plug it in and it's instantly recognized. No drivers and no setup. I can also see this microphone being really popular with gamers who don't want any hassle setting up their gear. I really like the design overall. The ring suspension mount makes it look unique, and I prefer it to the common U-shaped mounts you see on podcast mics, like you see on the really popular but expensive with Shure range of microphones. The boom arm and desk clamp are solid and fully adjustable, and while I do wish it came with a small desk stand mounting option, I can easily swing this out of the way when it's not needed and right back into position like this when I'm using it. It does make my desk look a little bit more cluttered, but it's not really an issue once you've positioned it using the folding frame nice and compact. So overall, I definitely recommend the FIFINE K688 microphone. Whether you're looking for your first podcast mic or if you want a serious upgrade from a lapel mic or webcam without spending a fortune. At under £70 or $91 on Amazon, this is ridiculous value for money, and it will probably be even cheaper on Amazon discount days. I'll leave my affiliate link down in the description if you want to help support my channel. Let me know what you think about the sound and overall quality of this mic in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later.